Welcome to another episode of The Customer's House, brought to you by...
Hey everybody, I'm your window man Eric with Window Depot USA. We're out here in York Commons off of Yankee Trace. I believe we're on Little Yankee Run is the name of the street. I think we replaced about 22 windows in the property. They got a lot of twin units. We did a half round, what's connected to 2 double hungs. So we're gonna go on inside and take a look at it inside. All right, so let's go back here into this front room that faces the street. And this is the twin unit with the half round above it. Everything is connected together from the factory, so this went right back in as one whole unit. And then it is the beige color to match what was there before. And they went from the new construction double pane to triple pane, low E and argon. Once again, another customer with the Gold Series glass. So come on back through and we'll show you what else we did. In the living room, right here's a twin unit. That's a game room. He's got a twin unit in there as well. This was the only triple. I do believe they had a couple windows upstairs, but they didn't need those replaced. It was mainly down here. But this is the sunroom, and we did all these twin units out here. And just like the other windows, everything still has these safety latches. It's a quiet neighborhood, so can't do much of a noise test. All right, guys, thanks for joining me on this episode of The Customer's House. Peace out, everybody.